Hey, math adventurers, welcome to today's interactive explainer mission. I am just so incredibly thrilled to have you here today because we are embarking on a really exciting mathematical journey together. So let's just dive right into this and see exactly what we're up against.
Okay, so our challenge today isn't just your standard run-of-the-mill math problem. We aren't just adding one number. We're not even just adding two numbers. Today, our mission is to add three numbers together. That's the whole shebang. So I really want you to ask yourself right now, do you have what it takes? Can you step up and become today's addition hero? I absolutely think you can. Before we jump in, let's define exactly what we're aiming for here. What is an addition hero? Well, an addition hero is a brave mathematician who successfully adds three numbers together. It might sound like a massive task at first, but honestly, with the right structure and a clear set of rules, you are going to master this in no time flat. Section 1. Training Camp Warm-Up. All right, here is our very first three-number equation. 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now, we don't have to look at all three numbers at once and panic. No way. We just break it down into two super logical steps. Step 1, we simply add the first two numbers. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Pretty simple, right? Okay, now for step 2. We take that 5 we just made and we add the third number, which is 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. And that right there brilliantly illustrates our core strategy for today. Section 2. Teaching section Hero Skills. Let's look at our new equation, 4 plus 5 plus 2. Using those hero skills we're developing, we know exactly how to handle this. Step 1, we add the first two numbers. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Now, we just hold on to that 9 and move right into step 2. We take our 9 and add that final 2. 9 plus 2 equals 11. See how just taking it one single step at a time makes it so much easier? Okay, I absolutely love this next example because it introduces a literal superpower. We're looking at 7 plus 3 plus 5. Now, step 1 says, find the 10. Look closely at our first two numbers, 7 and 3. If we add those together, 7 plus 3 perfectly equals 10. Whenever you can make a 10, your job gets incredibly easy. Why? Because for step 2, all we have to do is take that nice round 10 and add the rest. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Making a 10 first is just a brilliant little shortcut. Section 3, Hero Trials. Your turn to practice. So here is your very first practice equation. 5 plus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? I'm going to give you a few seconds to figure this out. Go ahead and add those first two numbers together. Okay, now add the third number to that. Do you have it? The answer is 11. Awesome effort. Seriously, if you got that right, you are already well on your way to earning your official hero status. Let's try another one. 9 plus 1 plus 7. Take a real close look at those first two numbers. Think about that special hero superpower we just talked about, making a 10. Take a few seconds. What is the final answer? It's 17. Excellent thinking. You saw that 9 and 1 made a perfect 10, right? And adding 7 to 10 makes a super easy 17. You are absolutely crushing these trials. All right, here is practice equation number 3. 4 plus 6 plus 5. Go ahead and add the first two numbers. Check if they make something special. Then tack on the last number. I'll give you a second. What do you get? 15. Yep, because 4 plus 6 makes our magic 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. Your math powers are growing so rapidly, it is just incredible to watch. Section 4, the final boss challenge round. Okay, here is your tough challenge, 9 plus 4 plus 5. I'm going to give you a moment to think about this completely independently. Add the first two, then add the third. Take your time here. What is the final answer? 18. Talk about heroic problem solving. 9 plus 4 is 13, and 13 plus 5 is 18. Brilliant work. Here it is, the ultimate final boss challenge. 6 plus 5 plus 9. Let's see what you can do with this one. Add 6 and 5. Hold that number in your head. Okay, now add 9. Take a couple of seconds. What is the grand total? 20, yes, you got 20. Massive celebration for you right now. You have successfully defeated the final challenge. You took three numbers, broke them down completely logically, and you conquered the final boss. Before we wrap this explainer up,
Let's review our secret hero math tip one more time, mostly because it's just so useful. Let's look at the equation 8 plus 2 plus 5. Standard adding means we just kind of go in order, but our secret hero tip tells us to scan the problem first. We immediately find that 8 and 2 make 10. Then we can so easily add the 5 to get 15. It is just so much faster, and it's a true sign of a math hero. Let's take a quick look at our Mission Complete review checklist. Today, you learned 3 vital steps. Checkbox 1, add the first 2 numbers. Checkbox 2, add the third number. And checkbox 3, our absolute secret weapon, look for numbers that make 10. If you follow this structure, I promise you, no 3-number equation is ever going to stop you. Because of your fantastic work, your laser focus, and your brilliant logical thinking throughout this entire explainer mission, it is my absolute honor to officially award you the title of Addition Hero. You have completely earned this today. You did just an amazing job today, and you are becoming a seriously fantastic mathematician. But, as we know, a hero's journey is never truly over. Now that you've completely mastered adding 3 numbers, are you ready to discover the secret of carrying numbers next time? I absolutely cannot wait to guide you through that next explainer. Until then, keep counting, keep smiling, and keep exploring math adventures. See you next time.